Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. And as you can see, this is the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that most of the time I've spent on the settings, then the camera, thumbs, phone, and in total I've spent 41 minutes on the screen. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and basically we've got two different ways, two different scenarios which we can use in order to check some further details. We can tap inside this graph, so on this today section, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the whole screen time, whole device, in particular days, so you can compare them. Of course, after tapping on particular day, you will be able to check the exact amount of time spent on particular apps. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Up to you. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings, camera, thumbs, etc. Let me pick the settings, and again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can compare the usage in particular days. The same situation can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so this is the whole checking of the screen timeout. Here we've got also the ways to disconnect, so whenever you will feel that you're spending too much time on the phone, or you want to limit the time for your child, you can set, for example, the bedtime mode or focus mode, where your device will simply pause some distracting apps, will pause the notifications from them in particular days and in particular hours. As you can see, you can set it right here. I highly recommend to check those ways to disconnect. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.